In the blink of an eye, high-profile celebrities Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes have gone from breakup to divorce deal. Well-known divorce attorney Gemma Allen is here with details on how to do a quickie divorce. Good morning to you.
Good morning. It's good to be with you.
What do you think about this case?
Oh, what do I think? Let me count the ways. I think it was beautifully planned and well executed, and I think it doesn't hurt to have a skilled divorce lawyer in your family, which apparently Katie Holmes does, and then to have the patience and the intelligence to bide your time and to make sure you're ready to leave. We have an expression in our business called learning to leave. And there's something in it for every one of us, not just the high-profile divorces. There are things you need to know. You need to get a feel for the law. You need to get a feel for your rights.
Is it difficult to do such a quickie divorce?
I think this is at a high-profile level, but there was so much at stake. And I think there were so many people. I'm picturing teams of lawyers and teams of agents. And I think, you know, where there's a will, there's a way. And I think there was a lot of motivation to make this go away and go away amicably. And I say more power to both of them.
Well, they stayed out of the courts, which was huge. But for the normal person, what's the average cost savings here?
Oh, well, to get down to more human levels, the average cost savings can be hundreds of thousands. A custody fight, I usually tell people, is the price of a college education for your child. So if you can afford to spend it twice, once on the custody fight and once for college, then go for it. But it's real, and it's not just the bad lawyers, because we're actually sometimes quite a good buy in all of this, but the experts. You have to have experts for your family psychology, for maybe an attorney for the child. There's a whole slew of other personnel that gets hired when there's a custody fight. It's expensive.
In the Holmes Cruise case, we are hearing reports that their daughter, Suri, was one of the big reasons why they wanted to be amicable about this, because there was a possibility in Katie's mind, reportedly, that her daughter could be indoctrinated into the Scientology way. But when you do not have sole custody of your child, aren't you essentially giving up some rights to your own child?
Well, joint parenting is each party having equal rights, so you are correct. Sole custody is I'm in charge and you are involved, but you don't have decision making. Joint parenting is decision making on everything that really matters. And so the trick of that is, if you didn't get along well enough to stay married, it takes a great level of maturity to get along well enough.
Thank you for your thoughts today. That's Gemma Allen. We hope to have you back soon.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.